Hi, welcome back. I'm Ben, the Burnt Out Chef, and today we're going to be making giant, ultra fluffy coffee cupcakes. Let's get started. First, for the icing, 200 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of butter. Give it a good whisk together until it's nice and smooth. 6 grams of salt, 8 grams of vanilla extract. Give that a mix. Now, 330 grams of icing sugar. I add it in 2 stages so it doesn't go everywhere. You can add up to another 50 grams if you need it, if it's not thick enough. And once that's roughly incorporated, give it another good whisk to get any lumps out. You want it to be smooth. Now, start scraping it into a piping bag. You can use tips in it. Be careful, because some designs won't go through in cream cheese. And also, if you're using a tip and you've got a hole in it, or it's a reusable bag, don't do this next step. That just helps getting the icing down into the bottom of the bag. Give it a squeeze down, tighten it up, and refrigerate. So now, for the cake. 175 grams of caster sugar and 175 grams of softened butter. Cream those together until they go light and fluffy. Three grams of vanilla extract, 4 grams of ground cinnamon, 80 grams of espresso or an instant alternative made to packaging instructions, and give it a good whisk together. I add the espresso at half at the start and then slowly pour in the rest as I'm mixing. Now, add the eggs one at a time, it's 3 altogether, whisking in between each. The batter will be quite thin at this point, but that's how you want it. Give it a good scrape down and another mix, make sure everything's incorporated nicely, and sift in 5 grams of baking powder. Give that a mix through, and add 175 grams of self-raising flour. Using self-raising and baking powder is to get the really light texture. Just gently mix it together with the beaters off, and then turn the beaters on once it's started to incorporate, or it'll just go everywhere. I can't describe how light these cakes are once they're done. It's amazing. Give it a taste and walk off. Now, it will do about 10, but I recommend filling the whole tray with muffin cases. That way, if it does do another one, it's ready. And yes, these are muffin cases, not cupcake cases. Leave about 8mm from the top of the case, or else they'll spill over. There, I did 10. And now, bake at 160 Celsius convection for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check after 20 minutes. Don't open the oven before this, because they'll sink. And now they're cooked. Bamboo skewer can be pushed in and removed without leaving any residue. Turn them out onto a cooling rack. You'll also notice that the tops can be lightly pressed and they'll always bounce back. So now, fully cooled, we're going to prep our piping bag that's been in the fridge all this time. Nice and stiffened up now. Just give it a test for consistency. Well, and of course taste. It's good. So, let's ice them. Now, I'm not the best at icing, but you hold the bag like that, give it a twist, get it nice and easy to squeeze. Just gently squeeze from the very back of the bag. I couldn't find a round tip, so it's not the most perfect icing job ever, but it'll do. you know, in the end it tastes nice. And then let's use editing magic to do the next one. There we go. Trying coffee cupcakes. So now, taste test. Slightly apart. And giant cupcakes are definitely better than regular ones. Just they're like twice the size. And oh look! The chin reveal! Yeah, they're amazing. They're so light it's impossible to describe, it's just amazing, you really need to try them. The only problem is they're really Moorish. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.